Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, how is it your world? I hope everything is good. Although we know well before that the situation in this world, the situation in this century, the situation in the environment is not good actually because of coronavirus. Because of this virus changed the social system in this world. Because of this virus changed the economic system in this world. And because of this virus also changed the educational system in this world. But I hope doesn't make your spirit in learning, your motivation in learning come down. But I hope all of you stay safe actually. Okay, first of all, I would like say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala who has given us mercy and blessings so we can attend with every place, and I hope with a good heart, good condition and happy situation. Secondly, salawat and salam always delivers to Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness of the world. Okay, I will like say thanks to our judges and all of you who has given me opportunity to attend this forum, to attend this place, will deliver English video speech. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hasmadina from Institute Islamic of Abone. In this good moment, I will deliver a speech about motivation in education. Dear my friends, when you hear some motivation, when you hear about motivation, I will ask you guys, what is the definition of a motivation actually? Motivation is the process that explains the intensity, the persistence and direction someone to get something. That's the motivation. Or we can say that motivation is the reason why someone to do something. Dear my friends, if you come in your school every day, if you come in your college every day, sit down in your classroom, listening your teacher or lecture explanation, and back your home again, this is most of the students' activity, right? So I will ask you again, guys. What is the reason you come in your school every day? What is the reason you come in your college every day? What is the reason? The reason is because of you have a big motivation to do it. The reason is because of you have a good goals to get it. Actually, there are so many kinds of motivation in education. One of them because of maybe the student aware about they need education. In another reason, maybe because of they will get a good job in the future, or maybe because of they will get a good job, or maybe the reason because of their parents. Dear my friends, today in a modernization era where all the sophisticated learnable process are made easily because of complete facilities. This is a contributing factor in building students' motivation. Students' motivation. Dear my friends, well, we know well before that today in a modernization era, right? So we need to build learning motivation for the better. As we look at how technology grows more rapidly and sophisticated. For more small example, actually, in your daily activity, on your home, most of you not do the laundry by your hand, but already washing machine. In another example also, in abroad, most of the waiters of a restaurant not by the people, but already by machine. So, look at this change. We need to prepare, we need to correct our learning motivation for the better, for prepare us not to be easily overburdened for the future engine growth. Okay, dear my friends, finally that's my speech, that's my performance actually. But I hope you can found some information. And also the last for me, follow one course until successful. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.